In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase the speed of your video clip using Microsoft Clipchamp software. You can download this software directly from the Microsoft Store and use it for free up to 1080p resolution. You just need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. If you want, you can also use Clipchamp directly on the website, but I highly recommend downloading the application. It's much more convenient to use. Once you log in, this is how the interface looks. Now click on Create a new video. If you're unsure about video resolution settings, here is a simple tip. Go to the video you want to speed up, right click on it and choose Edit with Clipchamp. This will open the video directly with its exact resolution, so you don't need to worry about changing it later. Here, our task is simple. We are just increasing the overall speed of the video. That's it. If you have opened the video through the app, this is how the project file will appear. On the right side, you will see the speed option. Click on it. Now it asks you how much speed you want. You can even use decimal values. I'm setting it to 1.1x. You will immediately notice the total duration of the video changing after adjusting the speed. Next, to export the video, look at the top. You will find the export button. Click on it and choose your desired resolution. Since this video is in 1080p, it's completely free to export using this software. But if you plan to export in 4K, you will need to upgrade your plan. After that, the video starts encoding. If you want, you can rename the file at this stage. Once the encoding is complete, it automatically downloads to your system as a separate file. Depending on your system configuration, this process may take a few minutes or sometimes even longer. If it doesn't download automatically, you will get an option Save to your computer. Just click on it. And that's it. This is how you can increase video speed in Microsoft Clipchamp. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more interesting and useful videos that support your YouTube content creation journey.